Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards that will take your gaming experience to the next level. On the left, we have the MSI B550-A ProSeries motherboard, and on the right, the ASUS Prime B450M-A AMD AM4 motherboard. Let's dive right into the comparisons and see which one comes out on top. The MSI B550-A ProSeries comes in at $139, while the ASUS Prime B450M-A is a steal at just $79. That's quite a price difference, folks, but remember, the link to both products is in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. The MSI B550-A ProSeries supports 3rd general AMD Ryzen processors and future AMD Ryzen processors with a BIOS update. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A is compatible with Ryzen 5000, 3rd, 2nd, 1st general AMD Ryzen CPUs. So both motherboards have great compatibility, but if you're specifically looking for Ryzen 5000 support, the ASUS Prime B450M-A has got your back. When it comes to memory and storage, both motherboards offer impressive features. The MSI B550-A ProSeries supports dual-channel DDR4 memory up to a whopping 128 GB at 4,400 MHz. Meanwhile, the ASUS Prime B450M-A supports up to 128 GB DDR4 with 4,400 MHz OC performance. So no matter which motherboard you choose, you'll have plenty of memory power for all your gaming needs. The MSI B550-A ProSeries boasts lightning-fast game experience with PCIe 4.0, Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer, and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A offers optimized cooling with VRM and PCH heatsinks, as well as flexible fan controls with ASUS exclusive Fan Expert 2 Plus. Both motherboards are built to enhance your gaming experience, so it really comes down to personal preference here. The MSI B550-A ProSeries features Audio Boost, which rewards your ears with studio-grade sound quality for immersive gaming experiences. On the flip side, the ASUS Prime B450M-A offers outstanding gaming audio with dedicated audio PCB layers and premium Japanese audio capacitors. So whether you choose MSI or ASUS, you can expect top-notch audio to accompany your gaming adventures. The MSI B550-A ProSeries boasts a powerful design with Core Boost technology, a flash BIOS button, and a premium thermal solution with a heatsink thermal pad and 2 ounces thickened copper PCB. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A is PC DIY friendly with BIOS Flashback and ASUS exclusive UEFI BIOS. Plus, it offers Aura Sync RGB and Armory Crate utility for customizable RGB effects. So, if you're into aesthetics and customization, the ASUS Prime B450M-A might be the motherboard for you. Based on online reviews, the MSI B550-A ProSeries motherboard is praised for its good VRM, USB-C support, and overall stability. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A AMD AM4 motherboard is commended for its value, Linux compatibility, and straightforward usage. It's clear that both motherboards have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the MSI B550-A ProSeries and the ASUS Prime B450M-A AMD AM4 motherboards. Both have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Remember to check the links in the description below to find more information about these products. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and until next time, happy shopping!